Question 3rd. Answer the following any 5. First question. An element has its electronic configuration as 282. Now answer the following questions. Question ABC. Question A. What is the atomic number of this element? The atomic number of an element is 12. Question B. What is the group of this element? Answer. The group of an element is second. Question C. To which period does this element belong? Answer. This element belongs to period 3. Second sub-question. Observe the given figure showing the orbit of a planet moving around the Sun and write the 3 laws related to it. Answer. First law. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the Sun at one of the foci. Second law. The line joining of the planet and the Sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. Third law. The square of its period of revolution around the Sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of a planet from the Sun. Third sub-question. Read the given passage and answer the following question. The home electrical connection consists of live, neutral and earth wires. The live wire and the neutral wires have potential difference of 220 volt. The earth is connected to ground due to a fault in the equipment, or if the plastic coating on the live and the neutral wires gives way, the two wires come in contact with each other and a large current flows through it, producing heat. If any inflammable material such as wood, cloth, plastic, etc. exists around that place, it can catch fire. Therefore, a fuse wire is used as a precautionary measure. Question A. Name the two wires having potential difference of 220 volt. Answer. Live wire and neutral wire are the two wires having potential difference of 220 volt. Question B. What is short circuit? Answer. When a live wire and a neutral wire come in direct contact with each other, the resistance of a circuit becomes very small and hence huge current flows through it. This condition is called short circuit. Question C. Write the function of fuse. Answer. A fuse protects electrical circuit and appliances by stopping the flow of electric current when it exceeds a specified value. For this, it is connected in series with the appliances or circuit to be protected. A fuse is a piece of wire made of an alloy of low melting point. Example, an alloy of lead and tin. If a current larger than the specific value flows through the fuse, its temperature increases enough to melt it. Hence, the circuit breaks and the appliances is protected from damage. Sub-question 4. Observe the given figure and answer the following questions. A and B. Question A. Name the process represented by the figure. The given figure represents the process refraction of light. Question B. State the two laws related to the process. Answer. Laws of refraction of light. First, the incident ray and the refracted ray are on the opposite sides of the normal to the surface and at the point of incidence, and all the three, that is, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal ray, are in the same plane. Second, for a given pair of media, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is constant, Snell's law. This constant is called the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. Sub-question 5th. What is an artificial satellite? Name any two types of artificial satellite and state their functions. Answer. A man-made object orbiting the Earth of any other planet is called an artificial satellite. Classification of satellites depending on their functions. Weather satellites. Weather satellites collect the information regarding weather conditions of the region. It records temperature, air pressure, wind direction, humidity, cloud cover, etc. This information is sent to the Space Research Station on the Earth, and then with this information weather forecast is made. Second, communication satellite. In order to establish communication between different places on the Earth through mobile phones or computer assisted internet communication satellite are used. Many artificial satellites placed at various locations in the Earth's orbit are well interconnected and help us to have communication with any place, from anywhere, at any time, and in any form, including voicemail, email, photographs, audio mail, etc. Third classification, broadcasting satellite. Broadcasting satellites are used to transmit various radio and television programs and even live programs from any place to the Earth to any other place. As a result, one can have access to information about current incidents, events, programs, sports, and other events right from his drawing room with the satellites. Fourth, navigational satellites. Navigational satellites assist the surface, water, and air transportation and coordinates their busy schedules. These satellites also assist the user with current live maps as well as real-time traffic conditions. Military satellite. Every sovereign nation needs to keep the real-time information about the borders. Satellite helps to monitor all movements of neighboring countries or enemy countries. Military satellite also help to guide the missiles effectively. 6. Earth observation satellites. These satellites observe and provide the real-time information about the Earth. These satellites also help us to collect the information about the resources, their management, continuous observation about a natural phenomena, and the change within it. Brief information about artificial satellite carry one mark. Any two types of artificial satellite, each half mark. Function of them, each half marks. Question 6. Answer the following questions. A. Define hydrocarbons. The compound containing only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. These compounds are known as organic compounds. Example: methane, ethane. Question B. Name the types of hydrocarbons. Answer: hydrocarbons are of two types. First, saturated hydrocarbons. Second, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Question C. Name two carbon compounds used in day-to-day life. Answer: carbon compounds used in day-to-day life are methane, cooking gas, sugar, ethanol. Sub-question 7th. Observe the given figure of reactivity series of metals and answer the following question. Question A. Name two metals which react with water. Answer: sodium and potassium are the metals which react with water. Question B. Name two moderately reactive metals. Answer: aluminium, iron, zinc and lead are the moderately reactive metals. Question C. Name the most highly reactive metal and the most less reactive metal. Answer: the most highly reactive metal are calcium, lithium, sodium, potassium. The most less reactive metal is gold. Question 8. Complete the following table. Question Question 4. Answer the following. First, draw a scientifically correct label diagram of a human eye and answer the question based on it. Question A. Name the type of lens in the human eye. The type of lens in the human eye: double convex, transparent, crystalline lens. Question B. Name the screen at which the maximum amount of incident light is refracted. Answer: the screen at which the maximum amount of incident light is refracted, cornea. Question C. State the nature of the image formed of the object on the screen inside the eye. Answer: the nature of the image formed of the object on the screen inside the eye, real and inverted image. Sub-question 2nd. Observe the following picture and answer the question. A. What is rust? Answer: when iron is exposed, moist air forms reddish layer of hydrated ferric oxide. This is called rust. Question B. Write the chemical formula of rust. Answer. Chemical formula of rust is Fe2O3 H2O. Question D. Question C. Write the reaction of oxidation of iron at anode. Answer. The reaction of oxidation of iron at anode. Fe solid form Fe2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron minus. Question D. Write the reaction of oxidation of iron at cathode. Answer. The reaction of oxidation of iron at cathode. O2 gaseous plus 4H plus 4 electron minus to form 2H2O. Question E. What is corrosion? Answer. Due to various components of atmosphere, oxidation of metals takes place consequently, resulting in their damage. This is called corrosion.